Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. It's a pleasure and honor for me to be invited as a guest speaker to the Peerless International Sunnah Convention 2024.
Zakir Abdul Karim Naik, born the 18th of October 1965, is an Indian Islamic public orator who focuses on comparative religion. Naik is currently a wanted fugitive in India, where, in 2016, the authorities charged Naik for money laundering while he was abroad in Malaysia. Naik did not return to India and became a permanent resident of Malaysia. Naik denies all charges. The National Investigation Agency attempted to issue an Interpol red notice for his arrest, which was refused due to insufficient evidence. He is the founder and president of the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF, and Peace TV. He is a well-known figure in the Islamic world, and while he does not claim to be a follower of any one school of thought in Islam, he is most closely associated with
And the theme of this convention is the light of Tawheed. The first time I came to this auditorium was during my first visit in Peerless in 2017. And the name of this auditorium, it is the largest in Peerless. It is Dawasan 2020.
Salafi School of Thought. Naik and #39, Peace TV is banned in India, Bangladesh, Canada, Sri Lanka, and the United Kingdom under hate speech laws. Full name, birthday, Zakir Abdul Karim Naik, the 18th of October 1965, age 58, Bombay, Maharashtra, India. Alma Mater University of Mumbai, MBBS. Occupations orator, physician. Years active 2024 present. Known for Diva. Title founder and president of Islamic Research Foundation. Founder of Peace TV, Bangla, Peace TV Urdu, and Peace TV Chinese. Board. Member of Islamic Research Foundation, 1 Islamic International School in United Islamic Aid. Spouse Farhat Naik. Children 3. Awards Sharjah Award for Voluntary Work 2013. Dubai International Holy Quran Award 2013. King Faisal Prize 2015. YouTube information. Channel Dr. Zakir Naik. Years active 2024 present. Genre Islamic. Subscribers 3.84 million. Total views 268 million. Associated Acts. Huda TV. Website zakirnaik.com. Early life and education. Zakir Naik was born on the 18th of October 1965 to Abdul Karim Naik and Roshan Naik in Bombay, India. He attended Kishinchan Chelaram College and studied medicine at the Topiwala National Medical College and AMP, Bial Nair Charitable Hospital, and later the University of Mumbai, where he obtained a Bachelor of Medicine in Surgery, MBBS. Career. In 1991 he started working in the field of Diva and founded the Islamic International School in Mumbai and the United Islamic Aid, which provides scholarships to poor and destitute Muslim youth. Naik and #39, S wife, Farhat Naik, is the president of the Women and #39, S section of the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF. He established United Islamic Aid, which provides scholarship to poor and destitute Muslim youth. Naik said in 2006 that he was inspired by Ahmad Deedat, an Islamic preacher whom he met in 1987. Naik is sometimes referred to as Deedat plus a label given to him by Deedat. On the 21st of January 2006, the Islamic Research Foundation, which Naik heads, founded Peace TV. It is a non-profit Emirati satellite television network that broadcasts free-to-air programming. It is one of the world and #39's largest religious satellite television networks. In the second half of March 2021, Naik launched Al-Hidayah, which provides educational content about Islam. The platform has thousands of hours of videos of more than 40 renowned Islamic speakers from all over the world, including Ahmad Deedat, Yusuf Estes, Hussein Ye, and Bilal Phillips. He claimed that this platform is a halal version of Netflix. Lectures and debates. Unlike many Islamic preachers, his lectures are colloquial, given in English. not Urdu or Arabic, and he usually wears a suit and tie. Naik has held many debates and lectures, and is said to, have delivered over 4,000 lectures around the world, as of 2016. Anthropologist Thomas Blom Hansen has written that Naik and #39's style of memorizing the Quran and Hadith literature in various languages, and his related missionary activity, has made him extremely popular in Muslim circles. Many of his debates are recorded and widely distributed in video and DVD media and online. His talks have been recorded in English and broadcast on weekends on several cable networks in Mumbai and #39's Muslim neighborhoods, and on the Peace TV channel, which he co-produces. Topics he speaks on include, Islam and modern science, Islam and Christianity, Islam and secularism, His first debate was in 1994, a debate on the views of writer Taslima Nasreen on Islam. In her book Lejja, organized at the Mumbai Marathi Patrakar Sangh, entitled, Is Religious Fundamentalism a Stumbling Block to Freedom of Expression? With the presence of 4 journalists, the debate went on for hours. In April 2000, Naik debated with William Campbell in Chicago on the topic of, the Quran #39, and in the Bible, in the light of science, one of his most cited debates. On the 21st of January 2006, Naik held an inter-religious dialogue with Ravi Shankar in Bangalore about the concept of God in Islam and Hinduism. In February 2011, Naik addressed the Oxford Union via video link from India, University of Melbourne. In 2004, Naik, at the invitation of the Islamic Information and Services Network of Australasia, made an appearance at the University of Melbourne, where he argued that only Islam gave women true equality. He said the more, revealing Western dress, makes women more susceptible to rape. Sushi Das of The Age commented that, Naik extolled the moral and spiritual superiority of Islam and lampooned other faiths and the West in general, further stating that Naik and #39's words, fostered a spirit of separateness and reinforced prejudice, St. David and #39's Hall. In August 2006, Naik and #39's visit and conference in Cardiff caused controversy when Welsh Conservative MP David Davies called for his appearance to be cancelled. He said Naik was a, hate-monger, and that his views did not deserve a public platform. Muslims from Cardiff, however, defended Naik and #39's right to speak in the city. Salim Kidwai, Secretary General of the Muslim Council of Wales, stated that, people who know about him, Naik, know that he is one of the most uncontroversial persons you could find. He talks about the similarities between religions, and how should we work on the common ground between them, whilst also inviting Davies to discuss further with Naik personally. In the conference went ahead after the Cardiff Council stated it was satisfied that he would not be preaching extremist views. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for motivations.